Logging a fill-up shouldn't take more than a minute. Here's how to knock it out step by step. First, let's take a look at the manual way to log the fill-ups. Start by tapping the plus icon on your main screen and select Fill-ups. Next, choose the vehicle you're filling up. The date and time will be filled in automatically with the current time, but you can change it if you're logging it later. Now enter the odometer reading at the time of the fill-up. You'll see the last recorded mileage displayed just below. Use it as a reference to avoid mistakes. If this wasn't a full tank, be sure to check the box for a partial fill-up. And if you missed logging your previous fill-up, check the Missed Previous Fill-up box too. Then, fill in the quantity of fuel and the price per gallon. The fuel type is pulled automatically based on the vehicle you selected. If you're currently at the gas station, the location should autofill. If not, you can type it in manually. You can also add any comments if needed. And don't forget to attach a receipt. Just tap the camera icon and take a quick photo. Once everything looks good, tap the save icon to log your fill-up. That's it, your record is saved and your vehicle data stays up to date. Want to log a fill-up without typing in all the details? Just scan your receipt and let the system do the work. Start by tapping the scan icon on the top right corner of the main screen. On the scan screen, make sure Fill-ups is selected. Now simply take a picture of your fuel receipt. Once captured, the app will automatically extract the key information, like the date and time, odometer reading, fuel quantity, price, filling station, and more. The receipt image will also be attached to the record. If your fuel receipt does not have mileage details, all you need to do is select the correct vehicle for the fill-up, add the odometer, review the details, and hit save. Your fill-up is logged. You can also access this scan feature from the Fill-ups menu as shown, or while adding a new fill-up. Simple, fast, and no manual entry required. Try it yourself today!